Hi guys and girls, glad you could make it. In this section here, 192 divided by 192, which equals 1, and 192 divided by 192 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 192 divided by 192 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 192 divided by 192, and we can write this part as 1 over 192 divided by 192. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 192 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 192, which equals 1 over 36,864. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit that like button and join the channel.